Good day, knowledge seekers and fact finders. Thanks for the congratulatory message on my wedding. Yes, I'm still on honeymoon, but let's quickly do this one. Today we'll be debunking one of the most conspiracy theory in the solar industry. What is this? Got you. This is not a regulator. This is a protector, an adjustable voltage and amperage protector. And on your screen is a voltage regulator, popularly known as stabilizer. What it does, it makes sure that high voltage or low voltage, it's brought to the threshold of 220 to 230. That is what a voltage regulator does. It regulates the voltage. While this here allows only a threshold of voltage and amperage, which is current, to go through. Anything below or above that, it's cancelled. So by default, it allows 125 to 250 volts and 0 to 63 amps. So in our next video, we're talking about this, an MCB, this, RCCB, this, and MCCB. In our next video, talking about this. You are most conversant with this, but not with this, and likely with this. Now let's do a bit of practical. Right here, we have a 1000 watt iron. Now let's see how it works. So this 1000 watt iron, when you plug your iron, of course, it drags the 1000 watts immediately, unlike your other loads, such as a fridge and AC that was rather loads up. So right now, I plug the iron. So whatever knob I put it, whether the lowest or the highest, it will still drag the 1000 watts because that's how it's supposed to work. So the heatness is now controlled by the knob. So we use this for overload protection. Now I'm going to set it below 4.2 amps so that whenever this is plugged, it won't work. This we call supply. Let's see. Right now, I've set it to 3 amps maximum. All right, I'm going to plug this into right now to power the socket, and let's see what happens. You can hear that it tripped off as soon as it's reached 4.2 amps because that 4.2 amps is above the threshold of 3 amps that I set it to. And it showed 3, that 3 is the maximum. Then after it tripped off, it started counting down from 20 seconds down to 0 before it will give out output. You can pause. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now it's back on it. The cycle starts again. 30 seconds countdown, remove the iron. So that's what will happen. It will never power this iron until it is unplugged. So 3, 2, 1, 0. You can see now it's supplying now because this is what unplugged. So if I plug a charger there now, it will work perfectly. Unfortunately, most of your solar engineers don't do the setting. They just put it there and expect it to work like magic. For example, 23 amps can be drawn maximum from 5 kV inverter. Now imagine you are using a 3 kV and they set this up, and the default is 0 to 23 amps. The inverter will spoil, except it has a very strong protection. So whenever this is installed for you, make sure the setting is does. This risk consulting ahead. See you on the next one. When you go reach out.